Welcome to Inventor Camp Professor. I'm Sydney, your Inventor Camp Professor, with one of hundreds of online video tutorials available free at www.inventorcamp.com 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In this session, we'll be showing you our new operation in turning of grooving. I'd like to work on this groove over here. I'll start my operation in turning called grooving. Now, I'll choose my geometry again using my solid option for choosing my geometry. And when I click on define, I'd like to go from here, from this radius over here to this radius over here. I can choose it as well by going from this edge of the radius over here to this edge of the radius over here and accept that. As you can see, the geometry has been chosen. Next, I'll choose my tool, and the tool that I will be using will be a grooving tool with a 0.1 millimeter radius on the edge. I'll select that tool. In my levels area, I'll have my safety distance at 0.5 millimeters. And now let's go to our technology area. Again, as you can see in our technology area, this entire area again was cleaned up and everything was put into tab form on top. So in our general, we have our work type as rough or finish only, as shown over here. And I'll choose rough, and we can see our rough tab on top. Next, we'll go into rough. Now, in our rough, we have our step down of constant or single. In this particular case, I'll use constant. Now, let's go into this area over here called cutting order. In cutting order, we have two options, either cutting it by rows or by columns. Now choose the option of rows. Next, we have our direction. In our direction, we have several options of how we want to cut. We can cut either from side to side. We can cut zigzag going back and forth. We can cut from the middle towards the outside, or alternate adjacent as shown over here, or alternate across. In this particular case though, I like to use the option of side to side. Now in our finish, what we will be doing is we will choose the option in finish of advance down only, and that will actually keep the tool down as it's going across on your finish cut at the bottom. Let's do save and calculate. And now we'll take a look at our simulation. Now, as you can see, and I'll be doing this one step at a time, the tool goes down 1 millimeter and now moves across on every step. Now we'll go back and move down as it works its way down towards the bottom and leaving the amount that I have for my rough offset. Now it'll start to finish. The finish, it'll go down, then back up, get the corner, get that bottom corner, and now it'll move across on the bottom. That's what the advanced keep down does. Now it'll move back up, go back to the side, finish off that edge over there towards the bottom, and now work its way out of the groove. For more Inventor Camp Professor tutorials, please go to our website, www.inventorcamp.com, and look under the tab called Inventor Camp Professor. Thank you for joining us on Inventor Camp Professor. Take care and have a nice day.